Do you feel nervous when you speak on the phone in English? Don't worry, today you will speak with confidence. Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Easy Talk English. I'm Sara. Today, we will learn phone conversations. By the end of this lesson, you will speak on the phone easily. Let's start. When you answer the phone, don't say only hello. Say this. Hello, this is Sara. Repeat after me. Hello, this is Sara.
Hello, this is Sara.
Asking for someone. If you want to speak to someone, say this. Can I speak to Adam, please? Repeat after me. Can I speak to Adam, please?
Can I speak to Adam, please?
If the person not available. If the person is not there, say this. He is not available right now. Or say, can I take a message? Repeat after me. He is not available right now.
He is not available right now.
Can I take a message?
Can I take a message?
Taking info. To take a message, say this. Can I take your name? What is your number? Repeat after me. Can I take your name?
Can I take your name?
What is your number?
What is your number?
Ending call. To end the call, say this. Thank you for calling. Have a nice day. Repeat after me. Thank you for calling.
Thank you for calling.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Real conversation. Hello, this is Sara.
Hi, Sara, this is Adam.
Hi, Adam, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Can I speak to John, please?
Sorry, he is not available right now. Can I take a message?
Yes, please. Tell him I will call later.
Okay. Can I take your number?
Yes. It is 010-12345-678.
Thank you. Thank you for calling.
Thank you, goodbye.
Goodbye, have a nice day. Practice. Now your turn. Hello, this is Sara.
Hello, this is Sara.
Can I speak to Adam, please?
Can I speak to Adam, please?
He is not available right now.
He is not available right now.
Can I take a message?
Can I take a message?
Thank you for calling.
Thank you for calling.
Questions. Answer these questions. What do you say when you answer the phone? How do you ask for someone? What do you say when someone is not available? Write your answers in the comments. Let's review. Hello, this is Sara. Can I speak to Adam, please? He is not available right now. Can I take a message? Can I take your name? What is your number? Thank you for calling. Have a nice day. Goodbye. If you like this lesson, like the video. Subscribe to Easy Talk English. And tell me in the comments. Do you feel more confident now? See you next time.